Welcome back. This is Tiana. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my turmeric face mask. So guys, turmeric is good. It has antioxidants in it that's going to help fight, the different problems you have with your skin, like dead skin cells. We get all type of problematic skin, and so that's what it's going to do. It has some vitamins in it and nutrients in it. It's going to help fight it. And we have our anti-inflammatory components in it, which helps with inflammation and infection and different things. So what is this turmeric going to do? It's going to help give you that glowing, lovely skin with luster and shine. Okay, and so the benefits of it is it's going to help heal acne, scarring, skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots. So guys, you all know that I suffer with discoloration of my skin. So I thought I wanted to share this video with you guys to inform you and educate you, on, there's different DIYs that you can do to help, treat your skin. And, you just have to do your homework research and find out, what's out there. So this is something different for me. So I'm going to give it a try. And, this is the first day, but of course I will give you my opinion on it and my reviews. So what you're going to need turmeric. You need a tablespoon of turmeric, okay? And turmeric, it can stain your skin, so you want to be cautious, but it comes from the family of ginger. That's why it has that wonderful yellow and orange color to it. Okay, and it has a spice in it. Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a turmeric face mask. So the recipe you will need will be a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and just squeeze some lemon in there, and you're going to add some water to blend it to make that paste, and you apply it to your skin. So I'll show you a demonstration of how I make it. So then you're gonna just squeeze your lemon in there. Just squeeze as much as you can. So these two ingredients is gonna help lighten their skin. If you have any type of problematic skin or hyperpigmentation, or just scars and different things that's left on your skin, this paste will help lighten it over time, and then it will give you a nice glow to your skin. So guys, the next step would be just to add small amounts of water, and you just do that as you go, and just stir it until it forms into a paste. So you don't want to apply too much water, so just be cautious. So this paste should last me for about a week. I've done it already before, so that's all I need. And I pretty much put it in a container. And then I'll just, put it in the refrigerator. Now, if it gets hard, what I'll do is just put it in the microwave a little bit to melt it a little bit. Okay, so I've made my mask and getting ready to apply it to my face. So we're going to be using like a makeup brush, just applicator to apply it. And as you can see, this is more so where the spots are, like on the side of my face. It's not necessarily in the, probably I'll do it for a whole week, and then I'm just going to show you the results. I'll let you know the outcome of it, and hopefully I will get the same benefits that everyone else is saying, because they're saying that it really helps. So helps with clearing up the dark spots. Okay guys, I've left this on for 15 minutes. I'm going to be using this retinol makeup remover. I'm going to use that to make it easier, and then I'm going to rinse my face off with some warm water. So this stuff is really messy, so I'm just going to, because I noticed it stained my towels. So I'm just going to use the makeup remover to remove it, and then I'll rinse the rest off with my warm water. Do this for about a week, and I will let you know if I see any improvements, any more improvements, and I'll get back with you guys. So I'm going to rinse the rest off with warm water, and then I'll just show you the outcome later on. Okay guys, so here's my opinion about the DIY mask, turmeric mask that I made. It took a couple weeks to get my skin to kind of clear up. It's a slow process, of course, but I did see a wonderful glow, and some of the spots that were really like dark, they are diminishing. So it wasn't a complete waste. I just know it takes time, so I'll probably just incorporate it in my facial routine once a week. But it was worth a try, and you know, I was expecting more from it, but maybe I was expecting too much from it. But you know, it's an experiment, and like I said, I want to try something natural, and I just want to make sure, you know, my skin get the best results as possible. But I don't want to, you know, do something that's going to harm my skin. So I don't feel like it harmed my skin in any way, but I really do like the outcome, and I did, like I said, notice a difference in my skin versus if you saw when I first recorded the video. Just, you know, give a review. Give me your opinion on the you know, what experience you had from the Turmeric mask, and also what you recommend for hyperpigmentation. So guys, thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe, and please don't forget to subscribe below, and also follow me at Tiana's Hair Creations on Instagram and Facebook.